This does not look like shampoo, but people are using this instead of liquid shampoo. Let's open it. The package is very small and simple, nothing fancy. This is a triangle shaped shampoo bar. It feels solid in the hand, not soft, not cheap. The shape is interesting. It is easy to hold while washing hair. Now I'll add some water. See the foam? It creates a light and smooth lather. It spreads easily on the scalp. It does not feel harsh. After washing, the hair feels clean, not dry, not heavy. This is different because there are no bottle, no liquid, no leakage. Very easy to carry while traveling. If you like minimal product and plastic free hair care, this shampoo bar is actually worth trying. Tata, bye bye, see you.